Choosing the right motor is essential for any engineering project. This video explores the differences between wound rotor and permanent magnet technologies to help you make an informed decision. Rotor excitation is what defines the motor type. Wound rotor motors use wound coils and slip rings, while permanent magnet motors use internal magnets and do not require external field power. A wound rotor is built with a laminated iron core, wire windings, and a system of slip rings and carbon brushes to deliver power to the rotor coils. Wound rotors provide high starting torque, easy speed control, and a robust construction. However, they suffer from lower efficiency and require frequent maintenance for brushes and slip rings. Permanent magnet motors use embedded magnets, often made of rare earth metals, within a solid rotor body. Notably, they eliminate the need for slip rings and brushes. These motors are known for high efficiency, high power density, and low maintenance. Their weaknesses include higher material cost, the risk of demagnetization from high temperatures, and the need for complex electronic inverters. Comparing key variables, permanent magnet motors offer higher efficiency and lower maintenance, while wound rotor motors deliver high starting torque and simpler control with external resistance. Each motor has a specific weakness. Wound rotor motors face mechanical wear due to friction from brushes. Permanent magnet motors are susceptible to thermal overload, which can destroy magnetic fields. Match the motor to the job. Wound rotors are suited for heavy industrial applications like cranes and mining. Permanent magnet motors are ideal for precision tech, such as electric vehicles and robotics. To make your engineering decision, choose a wound rotor if the load requires massive starting torque. Choose a permanent magnet motor if you need maximum efficiency in a small space.